Denon is the leading sound expert because I'm a DJ, and Denon is one of the brands for DJing machines and concert products, one of the leading companies in the world. And they've been this way since the 80s. So they're experts in when it comes to sound design and sound in general, prosumer and pro sound. Today we're going to review the AVR-760H. This is a unit that if you want to upgrade your home studio or home theater setup, this is going to be the central unit that is going to be the heart and soul of your upgrade and your system. You will have an unparalleled home theater experience. So here it is. In the excellence, Denon is excellent sound quality, excellent workmanship, and I'm excited to open this for you guys so that you see what comes in the box, and it's just amazing. Let's see what's in here. So here you'll see what's in here. So the opening, and of course it comes with the instructions, some stuff here, a quick start guide. So instructions, this is a tower for setting up speakers. The quick start guide. It comes with batteries for the controller. The controller. Check it out. Regular Denon controller. Resembles the other controllers, and then let's take this out of here. And this is the Odyssey Microphone sound calibration. So that tripod that I have here, this tripod is for this microphone, which it's gonna, I guess it's akin to an RT microphone, where the unit will emit a signal, and this will be used to calibrate the room, right? Because the room needs to be calibrated well, but Denon is going to help you understand how to do that. So now let's bring the unit out of here. This is heavy. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Don't do what I just did. Oh my god, that was heavy. Okay, so let's open this. Okay. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So here it is. Denon, it says here, it's been around since 1910. And this is the unit. This is the back where all the speakers, many speakers are going to be connected, and of course you're going to connect your HDMI. There's going to be an HDMI input also, because you need to connect your TV here as well. And this is the front, right? So beautiful, so well made. I hope you can appreciate how nice this is. It's amazing. It's just amazing. You see, it's just beautiful how everything is put together. And here in the back, I can see, you see all these. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 HDMI inputs that they're assignable. It also has 1, 2. So it's basically 8 speakers. You can connect an antenna, I guess, to use the AM/FM receiver. Some people still listen to AM/FM. And then you have the audio in, video in cables right here. So let me put it like this so that you see what's in the back. For those of you guys that are geeks like me, and there you go. You see? So there you see that it has HDMI inputs. It has for the speakers. It has RCA. So it has everything for you to have the most killer home theater ever. And by the weight of this, the strength of the speakers, it's going to be well managed because it has some heavy amplifiers in here. Oh my god. I can't hold that anymore. And it has one of these antennas, like the antennas from the past. It has one of these that you can put in to get like basic. So it says here that it has the Dolby Atmos. So Dolby Atmos is like the newest thing when it comes to surround sound. And of course, you can listen to Spotify here. It works with Alexa. I mean, this is essentially a computer. So, well recommended.